Wat hij in wil. Wat ik zie. Kom. Yes, as you can see, Pote caught himself a guinea-fowl and he's very proud of it. Of course, he's gonna get too tired carrying that around all the time. But for now, he still wants to show it off. Oh, here is Pote's guinea-fowl. He's either tired of it or he'll pick it up when we go home. There you can see the moon's coming out. It looks like a full moon tonight. I can start feeling a very fine drizzle. Okay, the rain stopped for a bit now. And in case you're wondering, yes, Pote did take his dead guinea-fowl and he's on his way home with it. We'll see if he actually carries it all the way, because he cannot really breathe easily when he's carrying something that big in his mouth. So I believe he might drop it on the way, but we'll see. Well, in case you're wondering, yes, Pote did bring his dead guinea-fowl all the way home, but I just refused him entry at the gate unless he drops it. He was very stubborn to do it, but eventually, finally, he had to do it to get in.